Ooh, good. Okay. Yeah. Oh.
What you gonna do?
Hello and welcome to Goma. Today we're preparing a very famous or well-loved soup dish, no? Tawag nila dito, tuwa ng isda, tinolang isda, no? Or tuwa. So here when you say tuwa, that means isda kagad yun, tinolang isda. So we're using here queen fish today, very fresh from the market. Alam mo itong queen fish nito, lapis ang tawag din nila dito eh. Ano to eh? Usually this fish is really popular sa mga oceans, no? Sa Australia, pero malapit sa mga coral reef, no? So today, ang gagawin natin, we'll boil water. Let's get it ready there, and then all of these are pre-washed na, no? So we'll put in our vegetables, spring onions. We have tomatoes, garlic, we have atsal is bell pepper, and then unique itong tuwa because of lemongrass. So importante yung lemongrass dito when you cook tinolang isda. Ito ilalagay natin dito. Just dump it all there. Ginger, just crack it open and then dump it there. Onions, put them all there. That's your vegetables. Oh. And then we'll put in tomatoes. Ito, naugasan natin tomatoes ito kanina. Just cut it in quarters. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah. And then we'll put in our atsal, our bell pepper. Take out the seeds. So with all the vegetables, yun yung magsi-season talaga na natin. Yun talagang lalabas yung taste ng soup natin. Okay? Then just cut it like this. Yeah, big pieces. Dump natin. Sarap nito. Wow. And then, lagyan natin ng sibuyas. This is one of the easiest na Visayan dish. Marami kasi nagre-request sa comment box. Gawa ka naman yung mga ano ba yung popular na pagkain niya sa Bisaya. So ito, isa sa pinaka-popular. In fact, when you go to Cebu, malapit dyan sa port area, malapit sa SM, meron doon masarap na kainan eh. Yung tawag na doon, A1, no? Doon talaga. When they cook this in huge pots. Tapos malaking pieces ng mga isda. Yung fish naman, whatever is the catch of the day, yun ang nilalagay nila sa tuwa nila, sa tinola nila. Alright. Put this in, there. Pakukulaan natin yan. Lagyan natin ng isang garlic. There. Konti lang. Just a big piece of garlic. Drop it in. There you go. Siguro yung onions, dagdagan ko pa ng onions. And then, alam nyo ba, kung ano masarap na terno dito? Naririnig ko eh. Nasabi nyo sa TV eh. Ano kaya masarap na terno dyan? Masarap na terno dito, inihaw na baboy. Sasabay ko na rin dito. Okay? So just do this. Alright. Just like that. Okay? And then, itong isda to, we will put this in later pag lutong-luto na yung lamas natin. You know, earlier, I was just preparing food. Nag-prepare na ako ng nag-marinate na ako ng baboy natin, not knowing na pwede ko palang gamitin dito pang terno nito. So itong baboy natin, liempo, I just put in some suka, some toyo, bawang, and some ground pepper, no? Minamarinate ko lang siya. So what we'll do now, gagawa tayo ng charcoal natin, ng uling natin. Okay? Halika dito tayo sa barbecue pit natin. So habang hinihintay natin na mag-uling talaga yun, no? Ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to cut the fish already. Tapos, yung fish na to, ilalagay natin doon. By the time na maluto ito, luto na rin sabay na. So, cut into big piece. Yan. Ito. Okay. Nice. Maganda, lulutuin mo yung fish na into big pieces. Paano kasi, yung isda, pag pinakuluan mo, lumalambot yung meat niya. And then pag masyado maliit yung cut ng meat niya, may tendency na madurog yung isda. Yung dorsal fin niya, tanggalin din natin. Yun. Okay. Yung tails. Ano maliit? Yun. Kailangan may konting puwersa. The big pieces, yan. Okay. Nice. So, lahat ng isda na pinutol natin, ilalagay na din sa soup. Alright. Okay. So, once the fish is here, kumulo na lahat ng ano natin, ng lamas natin doon. What we'll do is put it in low heat. And then, we just let it simmer. Okay? Okay, so yung kahoy natin, yan, nag-uling na siya. We'll scatter it now. Okay? And then, magsimula na tayo mag-ihaw ng ating baboy. Yun. So, ito ngayon, i-marinated natin na baboy. Lagyan natin dito. Beauty. Yun. And usually, when I marinate yung mga baboy na ganito, I don't marinate it too long. Siguro mga 1 hour should be good enough para hindi naluluto yung meat. No? So, nilagay natin yung baboy natin doon. And then, itong fish natin has been boiling for about mga 10 minutes. No? Hindi pa natin na-season to. So, I'll season it a little with salt. Should be good. Haluin natin ng konti. But you have to be very careful kasi at this point, medyo luto na yung isda na yan. No? Actually, luto na yung isda na yan. And ayaw mo na madurog yung meat niya. Ooh, good. A little more salt. And we're good. Okay. Kailangan pa natin yung fire natin. So let it simmer. Beauty. Yeah. So until pag naluto na yun, tapos na rin to. Yan. Kutin natin yung baboy natin. Malaki yung cut ng baboy natin dito eh. So what you want to do is to keep on turning it, no? After let's say every 2 or 3 minutes, ikot mo siya na ikot para yung luto niya umaabot dun sa loob ng baboy kasi if you take a look at this, you know, medyo makapal siya. And you want to cook your pork well done all the time. Ayaw mo na medium rare yung pork. So while we're at it, gagawa na tayo ng sarsa natin ng sausawan natin. Simple lang yung sausawan nito. Of course, suka. And then toyo. Tapos lagyan natin ng ground pepper. Okay. Pepper. And then lalagyan natin ng garlic. Ayun na lang, durugin na natin. Uy, okay. This our garlic. And then sili para masarap manghang. Yun. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung iniihaw natin na baboy habang masunog na to. Okay? So, ikot lang na ikot. There. Beautiful. Yan na, oh. Pag masyadong malakas yung apoy niya, just sprinkle little water lang. Okay? Ayan. So, little lang. Pero pag nagkaroon kayo na sunog, remember this, sa kitchen nyo, do not use water, okay? Kasi yung water, kita nyo, pag nilalagay mo yung water, lumalakas yung apoy niya. Pero dito, pinapatay lang natin sa yan lang, oh. Pero, yan lang. Tapusin ko lang to. Ang sili natin. Isa talaga maanghang. Halo lang. So, ready na yung sausawan natin para sa inihaw na baboy. Sarap. Sakto. Okay. Okay, beauty. Ganda. I love cooking in high heat. Tapos medyo charred ng konti yung labas niya. Pero yung loob nito, ganda ng luto. Beauty. Okay? So, what we'll do, kunin ko muna yung manipis na part, and then ibabalik ko lang yung malaking part kasi mas unang naluto yung mas manipis na part. Yun. So, ito, puputulin natin siya dito. Beautiful, ganda. Oh. Remember, ito hindi ko pa siniseason with salt, no? Although marinated na siya, pero walang salt, yung toyo lang. Lalagyan natin ng salt mamaya as we serve it. Beautiful. Yun. So, ito na iniho natin. What I'll do from here, season ko na siya with salt. Okay. Beauty. Okay, may board. And then, serve natin yung tinola natin. First, we'll take out yung tanggalin natin itong lemongrass. Go. Hanapin natin yung isda. Fish meat. Tapos yung lamas. Ano to? Parang tawag dito, sutukil. No? Very famous sa Pinoy yung sutukil. Ano yung sutukil? Sinugba, no? Sinugba, tinuwa, og kinilaw. Yum. So here it is. Huh? Okay. So here's our tinuwang isda og sinugba nga baboy. Sa favorite part na to is eating it. Masarap to pag may sausawan na maanghang na medyo maalat na yung baboy natin kasi nilagyan natin asin. Good. And then the soup. Oh. Sa probinsya, yung bowl, kinukuha tayo yung bowl. Oh. Pwedeng inita, oy. Tanawa. What a wonderful dish. Wow. Sarap talaga. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at home. This is your classic Tinolang Isda and Sugba na baboy. Do this in your own kitchen. Enjoy this with your friends and your loved ones. Okay? So until next time, I'll see you again right here in Goma at home. Bye guys. Boka. Kanon lang kinahanglan ani. Ang kanon na to. Sige.